is Mafan. I want to introduce my YouTube channel to you. The name of my YouTube channel is Age of Variety. Age of Variety is a lifestyle video blog. Most of my activities will be based on lifestyle activities, but I will also come up with different activities. It depends on the leadership of the Holy Spirit. I promise it's gonna be very interesting. Stay tuned. Alright, together we can make it better. I will also rely on my viewers' requests to make videos. Together we can create better content. I'm open for requests and I'm open for correction. Thank you for making Age of Variety great with me. Better days ahead. It can only get better. Together we can conquer. Together we can do better things. Thank you for your support. I promise this family there's so much we'll do together. So much. Be on the lookout. Thank you.